Welcome to the best picks. The best Clear Ornaments is probably one of the most versatile crafting essentials you can find. These transparent spheres open up a world of creative possibilities. From holiday decorations to personalized gifts, the ability to fill them with anything from glitter and beads to tiny figurines and photos makes them a crafter's dream. Join me as we explore the best options and unlock the potential of these amazing crafting tools. Number 5. 20-pack Clear Fillable Ornament Balls 3.15 foot. These clear, fillable ornament balls are perfect for crafting. You can easily open them to add your own personal touch and create unique decorations. Each ball comes in 2 parts, making it simple to fill with ribbons, glitter, or small items. It's a great way to personalize your holiday decor. Let your creativity shine. Fill them with anything from candies to miniature toys. The possibilities are truly endless with these ornaments. These ornaments are ideal for Christmas, weddings, parties, and more. They're a versatile addition to any celebration or home decor. Made from durable plastic, these ornaments are safe and won't easily break. They offer a clear, glass-like appearance for a beautiful finish. You'll receive a pack of 20, each with 2 halves for easy assembly. Make sure you match the 2 sides to create a complete ball. What we like. This ornament is easy to fill with various items, from ribbons to small toys. The durable plastic material ensures it won't break easily. If you're looking for versatile ornaments for any occasion, from Christmas to weddings, this is a great choice. You can easily customize it to match any theme or event, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. What people say. Description of product was accurate and photos confirmed it was a split ornament. 2 sides fit tight. Works well. They snap together pretty easily and look great whether you paint them with acrylic paint on the inside or on the outside. Great way to make decorations for many holidays because these guys are big enough to hold small items from lots of holidays as well as Christmas. The quality is great, it's hard plastic if they fall no cracks are seen, they are true to their size. We got the smaller size since our tree was only 7.5 feet, I bought 2 packages and it filled up most of the tree. They are easy to put together. Crystal clear and perfect size. They worked perfectly and fit into a small gift bag. Beautiful, larger than expected and easy to assemble. Number 4. Kingrol 4-inch Clear Fillable Ornaments. Introducing the Kingrol 4-inch Clear Fillable Ornaments. These ornaments are perfect for any occasion, allowing you to create personalized decorations with ease. Made from high-quality, non-toxic plastic, these ornaments are built to last. The durable material ensures that it can be used for many years to come. Each sphere opens and closes easily, allowing you to fill them with anything you like. From ornamental papers to small trinkets, the possibilities are endless with this product. Use them for DIY bath bombs, baking cupcake balls, or craft projects. It's the perfect casing for your creative endeavors, making it a versatile choice. With a set of 20 ornaments, you can decorate for Christmas, Halloween, birthdays, or any special event. It's the most cost-effective way to create a customized party. Transform your celebrations with these versatile ornaments. Get yours today and start creating. What we like. These ornaments are made of non-toxic, durable plastic, ensuring safety and longevity. They open and close easily, making them ideal for various DIY projects. If you are a crafting enthusiast looking for a versatile base for bath bombs, painting, or other creative endeavors, these ornaments are perfect for you. They offer endless possibilities for customization. What people say. These are really great for filling with any keepsakes for the holidays. They held up great even with packing and unpacking them for the wedding several times. These ornaments are durable and were securely packaged. One set includes 40 individual half pieces, 4 packs of 10, to make 20 ornaments. Simple snap-on and doesn't pop open. Number 3. Kingrol 30-pack Fillable Ornament Balls. These clear plastic ornament balls are perfect for any DIY project. They are great for Christmas, weddings, parties, and home decor. Made of durable, non-toxic plastic, each ball features a removable silver metal cap. This ensures the product is safe and long-lasting. The convenient access lid opens wide for easy filling. You can easily add any decorations you like. Decorate it with paint, stickers, glitter, or any craft item. The possibilities are truly endless with this product. Create unique ornaments for gifts. It's a fun and quick way to make personalized presents for friends and family. This set includes 30 ornament balls, perfect for Christmas, Halloween, birthdays, or weddings. You can also use them as home decor. What we like. This ornament features a removable metal cap and a convenient access lid for easy filling. You can decorate it with paint, glitter, or other craft items. If you're looking to create unique gifts for friends and family, this ornament is a fantastic option. It allows you to personalize each ornament, making it a thoughtful and memorable present. What people say. Used for crafts, very durable. The plastic is hard to break. I did accidentally step on one and it was crushed, but I was able to push the side back to normal. Very easy to use. They are plastic, so no worries about dropping. They are a good size, and would also make great ornaments to fill. They are good quality and would work for many craft ideas, Christmas or other times too. They are larger, thicker, and cheaper than the ones I would normally buy at the dollar store. I used these to create sparkle ornaments that would not leave sparkles all over the place. The glitter is on the inside instead of the outside. Each bulk came individually wrapped with a string for hanging. The bulbs are very sturdy. My clumsy husband has mocked more off the tree than we'd like to admit. Each time, the ornament just bounces several times across the floor and lands unharmed. Product is as advertised and worked out spectacularly for my Christmas craft project. Bulbs seem to be perfect for the crafts I plan to create. Number 2. DIY Fillable Ornament Balls, Christmas Decorations. These clear ornament balls come apart for easy filling. They have a hook on top, so you can hang them with ribbon or twine. It's perfect for decorating your Christmas tree. Fill them with ribbons, candy, photos, or anything you like for a quick craft. You can even swirl paint inside for a unique look. The possibilities are endless for any occasion. Made of durable plastic, these ornaments won't shatter. They're lightweight and safe to hang on your tree. You don't have to worry about them breaking. Create personalized ornaments for any event. They're great for gifts or decorations. You can easily change the contents to match your theme. Each pack includes 20 balls, each 3.15 inches in diameter. They come with gold cords for easy hanging. They are ready for all your creative needs. What we like. The shatterproof and lightweight design of this ornament makes it safe and easy to handle. It is also reusable and can be used for various purposes, from creating personalized ornaments to presenting gifts. If you like a safe and versatile ornament for your Christmas tree or any other occasion, you should consider this. It's perfect for families with children or anyone who wants a worry-free decorating experience. What people say. They worked great. Use them in other ways as well. These are perfect for crafting your own ornaments. All of them arrived without any visible flaws, no cracks or bubbles. Easy to store before using. Product is great for my idea. Perfectly fits my McDonald's toys and easy to use. Number 1. Auihiay 80mm Clear Plastic Ornament Balls. These clear, fillable baubles come in a pack of 30, perfect for all your creative needs. Each ball measures 3.15 inches in diameter and is made of durable polystyrene, so it won't break easily. Inside, you'll find 12 different types of accessories to customize your ornaments. This includes mini pine cones, berries, pine needles, and more, giving you everything you need to create unique decorations. Each sphere separates into 2 parts, making it simple to fill and personalize. You can easily thread string or ribbon through the top for hanging on your tree or around your home. These ornaments are ideal for Christmas, weddings, parties, and general home decor. Use them to decorate your tree, windows, or any space that needs a festive touch. Fill these clear balls with your own accessories to create unique gifts. It's a thoughtful way to personalize presents for friends and family during the holidays or any special occasion. With these versatile ornaments, the possibilities are endless. Let your creativity shine and bring a touch of holiday cheer to your home or give a special gift. What we like. This ornament comes with various accessories, allowing for diverse creative possibilities. You can easily thread string or ribbon through the top for hanging. If you're looking to create personalized gifts, this is a great choice. It provides everything you need to design unique and memorable ornaments for any occasion, making it perfect for those who enjoy crafting. What people say. The clear balls themselves are well made and fit easily together. Everything seems to be of a good quality and includes a nice assortment of decorations to fill the clear balls and even ribbon and string for hanging. Easy enough for kids and fun for adults too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.